Ever feel like your money just disappears into a black hole of subscriptions you never use? Streaming services you forgot about, gym memberships collecting dust, the list goes on. You know you need to take control, but where to start? That's where apps like Rocket Money come in, promising to be the key to your financial dreams. But before you hand over your bank login, is Rocket Money legit? Can it truly be the magic bullet to a healthier budget and a fatter bank account? Let's dive deep and find out. Breaking down the basics, what is Rocket Money? Rocket Money positions itself as a one-stop shop for all your financial management needs. It boasts an array of features designed to help you track your spending, see exactly where your hard-earned cash goes, categorized and laid bare for your analysis. Unwanted subscriptions. Rocket Money claims to identify and cancel subscriptions sucking the life out of your wallet with a single click. Craft a budget, set financial goals, and build a personalized plan to achieve them. Negotiate bills. Feeling like you're overpaying? Rocket Money offers a service to haggle with providers and potentially lower your monthly bills. Boost your savings. Automate saving and watch your emergency fund or vacation dreams take shape. Free versus premium, unveiling the costs. Rocket Money offers a freemium model. The free tier lets you track your spending and get a basic budget setup. However, the real magic, features like subscription cancellation and bill negotiation, lie behind a paywall. There are 2 premium tiers, with different price points depending on your needs. So, is it safe? Security concerns addressed. Sharing your financial data is a big deal. Thankfully, Rocket Money utilizes industry-standard encryption to safeguard your information. They also partner with Plaid, a trusted platform used by many financial institutions, to connect to your bank accounts. This means they never actually store your login credentials. Shining a light on the good, what users love. Many Rocket Money users rave about its ease of use. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate your finances. The ability to identify and cancel forgotten subscriptions is a huge win for many, leading to immediate cost savings. Positive reviews also highlight the helpfulness of Rocket Money's customer service. Not all sunshine and rainbows, potential downsides to consider. While Rocket Money has its fans, there are some things to keep in mind. Subscription cancellation success can be hit or miss. Sometimes, providers make the process difficult, and Rocket Money may not be able to override those hurdles. Similarly, bill negotiation results can vary. Negotiation success depends on your specific situation and the provider's flexibility. There have also been concerns regarding the free tier's limitations. Without the premium features, some users feel it doesn't offer enough value to justify sticking with the app. The verdict, is Rocket Money right for you? Ultimately, deciding if Rocket Money is a good fit depends on your financial situation and needs. If you struggle with forgotten subscriptions or simply want a clearer picture of where your money goes, the free tier could be a valuable tool. However, if you're looking for a more robust solution with automated bill negotiation and guaranteed subscription cancellation, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Consider the monthly cost and weigh it against the potential savings you might achieve. Remember, Rocket Money is just one piece of the puzzle. Developing healthy financial habits takes consistent effort. Budgeting, setting realistic goals, and monitoring your spending are all crucial for long-term success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.